When ceiling-only fire protection isn't enough, Viking's ESFR intermediate in-rack sprinklers provide the added protection you need for high-piled storage. Designed for use when ceiling heights exceed the limits of standard ceiling level protection, these sprinklers allow for one level of in-rack protection using the same ESFR sprinkler model installed at the ceiling. Paired with Viking's ESFR Guard and Water Shield combo, each sprinkler is protected from physical damage and shielded from water discharge from upper-level sprinklers. With the option to purchase the ESFR Guard and Shield pre-installed and InstaSeal weldolets, installation is simple. Install the Guard and Water Shield onto the InstaSeal pipe by hand with no thread tape or sealant. Another installation method includes our new recessed wrench that makes it easier to put in sprinklers when used with our ES75 and ES100 water shields when space is limited. Learn more at supplynet.com or contact your local Viking SupplyNet rep for details.